Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Universe Samm. This is going to be a short video that will explain and explore all about PanQuiz. PanQuiz is an application or a tool that creates assessments and quizzes automatically using artificial intelligence. Let's get started. All right, so just sign into your Gmail account and open a new tab and type in panquiz.com. You get this screen, sign in with your Gmail account. This is what you get as your dashboard. Okay, and from here, you can either create your assessments or live quizzes. Create new assessment. Okay, so you see this plus sign, click on it, and you will find three options. Write question is basically like manually writing your questions, and import questions is like if you have an Excel file or a Word file, you can import it from here. The third one is the one that uses artificial intelligence, and I'll be using this to tell you how can you create your assessments automatically. Dear Mr. PanQuiz, can you write for me how many questions you want? I want 4 questions. And I want easy questions with 4 multiple choices, fine. With or without the explanation of the correct answer. I want with the explanation of the correct answer and in English. The topic of my assessment would be, okay, and then say go. Okay, so it says, please wait, I'm applying some magic and I'll take some time. In the meantime, do you want to play tic-tac-toe with me? My questions are ready, so let's finish it off first, and it's a tie. Okay, let's go to our questions. And here are 4 questions. You can select or deselect the questions, and you can even edit them. Okay, so I have these 3 questions here ready for me automatically, and you can create as many as you want. All right, so I'll just edit my question number 1. So save it. And in the same way, I can edit the others. Okay, now I'm done editing my questions. I can edit my title also, football players, and press OK. Now let's preview this one and see how does it appear to the students. I will now go and assign it to my students. Press this button here. You can either give this pen to your students or you can give this link. Copy the link and send it through their email addresses or Google Classroom. Okay, so we're done with assessment. Now we'll start with a quiz, live quiz. Okay, so create new again and live quiz. Python language, programming language or coding, etc. You can change the color of your background if you want. You can change the cover image also. Let's say search, and I'll take this one, and that's it. Save it. Add a question, and you can either write it or ask Mr. PanQuiz. So we'll ask Mr. PanQuiz to create one for us. Python programming language is fine for me, and go. And it's the same procedure as before. Okay. So my questions are ready. If you are okay with these questions, you can say select all and use 3 questions. I'll tell you how to play this quiz, and it's going to be very interesting in the classroom. So you can just create your quiz by using PanQuiz within a few seconds and then share it with them by writing their email addresses and select their role as viewer, share. All right, so now you are the owner of this quiz. So just say play and start playing. This is the PIN code. You can give this to your students, or you can give the QR code also. So here I am, and I will say play.panquiz.com, and I'll put the same code and play and say start. Okay, so again, I'll go here and see student 1 has signed in, and I will start as an owner. Yes, start.
PanQuiz.
Okay, for me, I'll select this one, which is diamond. And from the student's account, I'll select diamond. And the answer is correct. I'll come back here, hit score. What is the extension of a Python source code file? And again, skip. All right. So I am done with the 3 questions. So this is it for the video today. And if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Take care.